Hi guys! So in today's video I really wanted to talk to you all about magnetic lashes. I love magnetic lashes. I actually got a new pair specifically for filming and I always use the Ardell brand. So these are actually the Ardell magnetic lashes in wispy. There's actually double demi wispies and demi wispies, and normally for my everyday kind of use I love to use the Ardell 110 magnetic lashes, and that's what I use in almost every single look that I do. Up until now I'm actually going to be using these in every single video. I feel like they're going to be a little bit more dramatic and not as natural looking, but I think in my everyday kind of life the 110s would be absolutely perfect. That's what I wear every day basically anyway. I want to tell you all exactly why I wear magnetic lashes instead of the traditional, lashes where you put on glue and you have it dry and get tacky and then you put it on your eye with tweezers and everything. Because I've seen a lot of people talk about magnetic lashes, but I hardly see them use the Ardell brand, and the lashes that they do use, they don't really like them. And why I really like Ardell is, if you can see right here on the packaging, like this is all clear and you could see right through it, there's actually 4 magnets. So there's actually 4 magnets on this, on one strip, and they all connect to each other, and your actual natural lash is in the middle. It's sandwiched in between these 2 fake ones. And they connect through the magnets and everything, and a lot of people just look at me like, what does she have on her eyes? Because a lot of older people have asked me if they're my natural lashes. A lot of other people have asked me if I've gotten extensions, and the answer is no, I will never get extensions, simply because of the fact that once you get extensions for your eyelashes and everything, if you continually get them and get them and get them, over time your natural lashes are just gonna thin and not be there, and you're gonna have to wait and put these on or something similar to this anyway. And I just find that this is way cheaper. It's less of a time commitment, because I heard that some people actually sit for 2 hours to get their eyelashes done for a completely new set. I don't know how true that is, because I've never personally done it myself. I could say 1 hour to 2 hours if you're putting on a whole new set. If you're just getting them filled, maybe a half hour, I want to say. This is just me guessing, but I don't really know. But I just feel like this saves you time and money. I've honestly worn my 110 pairs. I basically wear them every day. I alternate between these 2 pairs. They're the same design for 8-9 months. I've used them. And yes, I sanitize them. I've sanitized them like every week and everything, and they're just really nice. I honestly wouldn't use any other eyelash brand, so I would totally do the Ardell. Now, I've seen people go online and just look at wish.com, and yeah, those are fine too. Yes, they are magnetic, but there are differences, because I've actually seen some of them that are on Wish and they actually just have 2 magnets instead of the 4, and that can make a huge difference in the application process. Plus, Ardell actually sells an applicator. I've never personally used the applicator, because with these you actually can't use regular traditional tweezers like you can for let's say House of Lashes or Miami lashes or whatever kind of lashes that you like to use. I just love using these. I get them at Sally's and at Ulta, and quite often they do have sales. So I'm just actually going to be putting on some lashes on camera just so you all can see how I put on lashes. And yeah, so I do have on my full face of makeup already. I have my foundation. I actually got really tanned during this past week because I was outside working a lot. So I actually got really tan and everything. If you can't tell, like, ooh, do you see that? That compared to that? But yeah, I already have on my concealer, foundation, powder, contour, highlight. Well, not highlight, but you get what I mean. I already have all that on. I'm going to be putting on the Tarte Man-Eater mascara, because I find that when you put on mascara, it allows it to have a better grip on your eyelashes compared to you not having any product on them at all. And it just makes the whole process so much easier. And you don't have to go heavy with this at all. You don't have to make spider lashes or anything. Or if you do, if you like that style, you go for it, I grew up always having clumpy lashes in the very beginning, and I was always criticized for it by my mom, so I just kind of detract from that look, but that's just personally me. Okay, so that will be drying, and while that's drying, I'm actually going to be whipping out these new lashes. These are brand new. I literally just got these, I want to say a week or two ago, and yeah, let's just bust into these. Oh, this actually comes with applicator. That's kind of cool. Okay, so I feel like I should put on one with the applicator and one without using the applicator, just to see how I like using the applicator, because this looks kind of weird. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of the pink, but that's fine. I don't know how these are expected to grip onto the lashes. We'll see. Like, do you guys see that? I'm like, okay. So you literally just rip this off. There's little stickies right here. I don't know if the camera's probably overexposed, but there's little round, so there's little round circles that actually keep them on in the packaging. I might not even like this. We'll see, because normally I just like to use my hand. Honestly, a little bit nervous. We'll see how well this goes. Okay, I'm gonna move my mirror a little. Oh my gosh, yeah, no, I'm not a huge fan, because the top ones already fell on the bottom ones. I'm not gonna use the applicator. I'm gonna get way too frustrated, I already know. I actually don't like this right now, because I like to curve mine a lot. I feel like these are longer, but the other ones that I normally like to use are way fuller. Okay, so I did it right, but these look very spidery. So I don't know if you can even see, but these ones look super long. It's kind of crazy to me how long these are compared to the other ones. And I didn't put on any eye product or anything, so you guys can really see the lashes without any eyeliner or anything like that. Let's see this other one. Yeah, I like using my fingers way better than using the applicator. I don't know, maybe the applicator is just easier for some people. Not me though. Okay, so because these are so new, the shape is weird for the curvature of the band. So I don't like the way they're sitting on my eye, because they're not matching up with my eye. But I did manage to get them both on. They're not perfectly aligned with my eyes because of the shaped to the packaging instead of my eye. So I would really keep that in mind. But other than that, I like the length. I don't really like that it's a little bit underwhelming. I thought it would be a little bit more, it's voluminous and long, but I thought they would be fuller, which was what I wanted. So I'm going to have to just look around and see the different kinds of styles that they offer. I really wanted to use, I'm going to use these exclusively in videos, of course, as compared to my everyday ones, but I really need to reshape these, I'm realizing. So just keep that in mind when you're buying these. The first time you wear them, you're not going to like them because they're not shaped to your natural eye shape. You need to shape them to your natural eye shape. You need to bend them in the little donut saving storage structure that I like to use. I basically show it in every other video that I do regarding makeup, so just go back and watch those. But yeah, these are my tips and tricks and opinions about magnetic lashes. I know that they have been really big in the past and everything. I think over the past year or two they've gained major popularity. A lot of more people are talking about them, but still mainstream YouTubers and everything and people in the industry don't really use them because there are a few kinks and everything that I feel like they're slowly sorting out. But yeah, remember, you're all strong, articulate, independent individuals, and I love you all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!